let's talk about high reach dusting. What do you do when a client wants you to vacuum or dust light fixtures and pipes, all that fun stuff, but it's way up there? All right, number one, the most obvious one and most expensive. Let's get it out of the way. You can buy specific vacuum setups that are meant for high reach things. They go all the way up to like 40, 50 feet even, like SkyReach, SpaceVac. There's a bunch of systems. Now, the downside to this is that they're very expensive. So if you don't do a lot of commercial clients like that, I wouldn't recommend starting with one of those. But those things are options. Number two on this list, this is one of my personal favorites. If you have a good quality backpack vacuum, like a ProTeam, for example, with the telescopic wands, you can go fairly high, especially if you end up having a ladder as well, so you can combine the two. You can do some stuff probably all the way up to like 15 feet, so depending how high the job is that you need to get done, this might be a good option and is not as expensive as the first one. Number three, next one on the list, works like a charm, but it is a little tough on the shoulders, so make sure you're ready for it. Take a shop vac that has good suction and then buy one of the extension pieces and then buy another one and buy another one as far as you need. Now keep in mind, I find at the like 15, 12 feet mark, you start losing suction. But again, it depends on what kind of vacuum you're using. So if you have a powerful unit, that's literally all you gotta do is buy a bunch of extension pieces like that, put them together and put a dusting tool at the front of it, and it works great. Last but not least, if you're dealing with light dust and it's not something crazy you need to vacuum and there's not a retail space where you have shelves underneath, you can just dust the stuff down. Get yourself a good extension pole with dusters and change them out frequently and make sure you just dust everything, bring it all down and then vacuum from there.